Ahoy there everybody, Captain Granite here. Welcome back to another motovlog. Today we're going to be talking about the biker wave. Stay tuned. Welcome back. And today we're going to be talking about the motorcycle biker wave and where it came from and what it means and what does it mean to me. Back in the day, I used to actually have a like a wave to me account. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh, I got a red light. Sugar plums. I'm working on my swearing. Since I have a kid now, I kind of feel like I have to work on my swearing a little bit. I really want to say shit. But sugar plum seems fitting. Oh, so yeah, the biker wave. So apparently the origins of the biker wave was in 1904 by Arthur Davison and William Harley. Do those names sound familiar? They should. They're the creators of Harley Davidson. Apparently people saw them riding and they actually waved to each other as they passed. And that's kind of where the little bit of like the origin story of the biker wave came from. So, yeah, back in the day I used to have a little wave to me counter. Back then it was more so of a game. And unfortunately, I mean, you know, you live and learn, you grow. I wasn't the most pleasant person when people didn't wave to me. I was like, oh, I'd call them a douchebag or an ass. And you know what? That's just not how it should be. So they're paving. Sorry, I something shiny, and I caught myself. So they're paving this starting tomorrow. Note to self, on Wednesday, find an alternate route to work. Why Wednesday? Tomorrow's gonna be kind of shitty, rainy, windy. So, no bike for me tomorrow. Anyway, back to the topic at hand. The biker wave, another one. Hello. There we go. I'm hoping I get at least one of them in like a good picture so I can actually do a thumbnail of the biker wave. So yeah, in 1904, apparently that's the origin of it, was the creators of Harley Davidson. They rode past one another, they waved to each other. You know, not like your standard wave, you know, not the, you know, signature, you know, above the shoulder kind of wave. Is there a turn you're working on? Yeah, you take your damn time. Jesus, it's a standard two fingers, so like the peace sign, at, I would say, a 45-degree angle. Not a Kurt angle, but a literally a 90. You can't see it. I'm doing it. You know. That's the biker way, you know, just like a do, but backward, like this way. Do it with your left hand, the clutch side, for oncoming bikers. Do it safely though. Don't do it in the middle of a turn. Don't do it when the conditions are unsafe for you, you know. And if they wave, vice versa, they might not wave back to you because either they're shifting, they didn't see you, they're taking a corner or a turn, you know, or they're a jerk, you know, who knows. Maybe they don't want to reciprocate your hand gesture. Not everyone's looking for a hand job.
Are we not saying phrasing anymore?
So yeah, the premise behind why you use the two fingers for the bike wave, from legend, I'm told the two fingers down basically says, you know, keep the wheels down, keep the rubber down, keep your two wheels on the pavement, and safe passage. Basically, to me, and this is how I'm going to keep that ideology going forward is by waving to another biker, doing the two fingers like the little peace sign. You know, yes, I'm telling them, you know, safe passage, you know, keep the wheels on the road, keep the rubber side down, whatever you want to call it. But in essence, I'm wishing them well along their journey, and I'm wishing them safe passage. I'm wishing them that they get home safe to their loved ones, because who knows, that person that you wave to on a bike, you could be the last person they see. You never know. And you waving to them, giving them love, and just, even if they don't, like I said, if they don't reciprocate it, who cares? Chances are you'll never see them again. Well, unlikely, but you might see them in passing, and who knows, you might change their mind. You wave to them long enough, maybe they'll do it just by chance. Yeah, she reciprocated the wave. So yeah, that's kind of like my ideology right now, is not only am I wishing them safe passage, but I'm wishing them to get home to their loved ones and their family, and I'm trying to spread that kindness, you know. So I'm trying to do better. I'm trying to spread that message, get the wave. I mean, not everyone does the wave, but every motorcyclist has encountered the wave. I think that's honestly safe to say that every motorcyclist has encountered someone waving to them. Huh. I would join in on that venture, but my bike's about as loud as a silent fart. So I'm kind of curious with all you guys here in the comment section. If you made it this far in the video, well, thank you. I know it's kind of like a bland topic, but it's something that we all kind of go through, you know. Do you guys wave to people when you're out on the bike, or do you just not? Do you just acknowledge it? Do you do like the little, like, hello, like a little head bob, you know, the little nod of yes, I acknowledge you, kind of like, you know, Roman Reigns. It's a WWE reference. If you guys don't watch wrestling, then you missed it. Oh, I gotta remember that bump right there. Jesus. So yeah, I'm just kind of curious, you guys. Put it down in the comments if you wave. What do you do? How do you see the biker wave? I don't know. I'm getting more into it. I mean, I've always kind of waved, and you know, I just want to show more of that towards people. Now that I actually got like a fully functional, like, understanding and ideology of said motorcycle wave, it's something I want to keep doing further on. Anyway, as this video is kind of getting towards the end here, guys, I want to say thank you for all of you that came by last week, showed up for my my first motovlog of the year. It means so much to me. And I'm glad to see so many familiar faces coming by, hanging out, and really showing that love, you know. So a big shout out to you guys. And please, guys, anyone that's new here, smash that subscribe button, hit the little link tree at the top of my page. That'll bring you to everything. CaptainGrant.com has everything. And until next week, guys, I will catch you later, and be good to one another. Later.
And after it's all over, you say, "Oh, what a lovely tea party."